Okay, we're going to look at how to do a general reduction questions, and they kind of flow from the very first introduction. Hopefully they'll make some kind of sense to you. The first thing, let's say you had to simplify this, the cosine of 180 degrees plus theta. Well, it's kind of good to know. There's 180 degrees, and plus theta, just pretend that theta is an acute angle like that, like 45 degrees or something. It would bend into the third quadrant. 180 degrees plus theta is in the third quadrant. And then you go, well, a cosine of third quadrant, cosine's negative. So that's why this reduces to minus cos theta. Now, the cosine of 180 minus theta, well, there's 180 degrees, and negative you bend clockwise. So you'd be in this second quadrant. You really have to know this kind of thing. This 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant, but cosine's negative there as well. So what you've got is negative cosine theta divided by negative cosine theta, and any negative divided by a negative is positive, and anything divided by itself is 1. Let's look at another question. Same thing, here's 180 plus theta. If you know where it is, you're in the third quadrant. Well, hey, tangent is positive there in the third quadrant. Just figure out which quadrant it's in. 360 minus theta, that's the fourth quadrant. And, sine's negative there. Tangent of 360 minus theta, where is it? That's a fourth quadrant. We just said that. So tangent is negative in the fourth quadrant. Just go to all stations to Cape Town. Tangent's only positive here and here. It's negative there. Well, the tangents cancel. Two negatives make up the negative divided by negative is positive. So you're just left with the sine theta. And that's your answer. That's how you do general reductions. You're going to get some questions here that get us practicing this stuff. And there's a memo that goes with it as well. So this stuff comes up and is quite a few marks on the exams. So learn this. It's really useful for collecting points, getting marks. Yes.